In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable an active payment gateway in your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard control screen. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Wix account and that you're viewing the right site, especially if you manage more than one website. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid changing settings on the wrong project. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the settings area. This is where Wix keeps most of the important configuration options for your site, including business, checkout, and payment-related tools. Click on Settings to open the menu, then find and select the Accept Payments option. This section is where you manage the payment methods connected to your store, bookings, or any other service that collects payments through your site. After the Accept Payments page loads, you'll see the payment providers that are currently connected to your Wix site. At this point, your goal is to locate the specific active payment gateway or transaction service that you want to disable. Take your time here and read the provider names carefully because some businesses use more than one payment option at the same time. You'll want to make sure you identify the exact service you intend to turn off. If you're not completely sure which payment gateway is the correct one, it can help to pause for a second and compare the listed provider with the payment methods your customers currently see at checkout. This can prevent accidental disruption to the wrong payment service. It's also a good idea to be aware of any active transactions or customer purchases that may be in progress before making payment changes. Once you've found the active payment gateway you want to disable, you're in the right place to continue managing that service from the Accept Payments section. The key part of this process is simply navigating to the correct area and identifying the exact active provider you plan to turn off. And that's it for this part of the setup. You've successfully reached the Wix payment settings, opened the Accept Payments section, and located the active payment gateway transaction service you want to disable. If you're following along while updating your site, move carefully and double check each selection so your checkout experience stays organized and accurate.